Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable auto-end tasks to automatically close unresponsive programs in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Sometimes it happens when a program stops responding, Windows may hang or delay shutdown while waiting for user input. Auto-end tasks is a Windows settings that forces the system to automatically close unresponsive programs, helping improve stability and shutdown speed. This process, auto-end tasks, will automatically close unresponsive programs and increase your shutdown speed. So how to enable it in your Windows 11 and 10 system? Here are the process. Right click on start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to launch Run dialog box, and here in Run dialog box type the command REZEDIT. Click on yes, a pop-up window will appear and Registry Editor window will now open. Here under Available menu, first expand H key current user. Thereafter select control panel. Expand control panel and here select desktop. Thereafter go to right side and on the desktop right click on it and hover the cursor on new and choose a string value and rename this string value as auto-end task. Rename this string value as auto-end task. Right click on it and choose rename and rename its auto-end task. Thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties windows. Apply a double click on it, auto-end task, and put the value as 1 and click on OK. If you put the value 1, this is enabled, and if you want to disable auto-end task, then put the value as 0. And after once you changed value, don't forget to restart your system. To put the value 0 to disable this auto-end task, and to enable auto-end task, put the value as 1. And don't forget to restart your system. Before changing any registry editor, don't forget to back up your PC.